Hello, I'm Zanotti, and this is another Captivate quick tip from Relate. Today we're going to talk about the image editor that comes with Captivate. Image editor, you say? Yes, there is an image editor. A lot of people don't use it because they don't know it's there. It's actually not bad. It's pretty useful. If I click on an image and then I right-click on it, you see the Edit Image option. Well, that brings up the image editor, and I'm going to undock it and bring it closer to the image. And by the way, you can undock and move any of your dialog boxes in Captivate, which is really nice. So here I have a lot of options. I can change the brightness on an image. Let's say I want to make it a little bit brighter, and that washed it out. I can change the sharpness of the image. I want to make it a little bit sharper. I can also change the contrast. In this case, we'll really contrast it up a bit. And I can change transparency. Let's say I want to create a ghosting image. I could bring this down to about half, and you notice you have an image that's somewhat ghosted. I can bring it down even more, and you have a kind of a silhouette there. I'll bring that back. You can change the hue, which is your red, green, and blue coloring within the image. We'll leave that as is. You can change the saturation of the colors. You can also do a mosaic, which in essence kind of blurs the image in this case. So you notice it's blurring it quite a bit. And I can change it to grayscale, which in this case will make it disappear. Can also invert my colors, which creates kind of an X-ray effect, which is kind of cool actually. One thing I use a lot is flip. So I can flip the image from one side to the other. In this image, it doesn't really matter, but if you have an image that's pointing at an object, it makes a difference. Or if you have objects that you want to move around, you can also rotate an image. You can rotate in different directions. The other thing you can do is crop the image, which in this case we don't want to do. And let's say after you've messed it all up completely, you want to reset it. All you have to do is click the reset button. And now we have our original image again, which looks very good. From here, you can also click on the properties, and that brings up your image properties dialog box where you can change your options, add audio to it, whatever else. I'll escape out of that. So there you go. That's how you use the image editor within Captivate for simple edits so that you don't have to go out to Photoshop or other tools. For Captivate Quick Tips, I am Rick Zanotti with Relate Corporation. Thanks for listening, watching, and subscribing. We'll see you next time.